Okay, in this video today I'm going to show you how I sew the hand and thumb together on the piece of your work. So first, cut a length of yarn about 40 centimetres long and knot that in one end. Bring your needle up from the back of your work through. Now what we're going to do is we're going to just pass the needle through the vertical strands on one side and then back through on the other side of your cast off edge, then repeat on the second stitch and again through there. Now what we're going to do is we're going to just ease those stitches together, tucking the cast on edge inside and pulling your work together. Repeat again the next stitch, and pull that together like so. Now we're going to just sew the row ends together. To do that, we're going to pick up the horizontal bars on each stitch. I'll show you this more clearly at the end when we come to sew the arm together. What you want to do is just continue this all the way down to the thumb. Okay, now you've done that, your work should look like this. And what we're going to do next is just join that thumb together. So line up the two pieces, and like before, what we're going to do is pick up those vertical stitches on either side. Times, and then just gently ease the stitches together, making sure the cast off edge remains inside of your work. Okay, again continue this all the way down to the end of the thumb, and then you'll sew the row ends of the thumb together as before with the horizontal bars. Okay. And then I'll show you how to just finish off your thumb at the end. So the final step of your work is to sew that last seam closed. So pick again. What we're going to do is sew that seam closed by picking up the vertical stitches on either side. So it's a little bit fiddly, so just take your time, making sure you tuck the cast on edge inside as you pull it closed. Ease the thumb into shape as you sew. That's that. Last bit of your work is to sew that arm seam closed. And we do this by picking up the horizontal bars on either side of your work. and pull those closed. Okay, through the horizontal bar. And we pull that seam gently closed. And there you have one finished.